What is sexual dysfunction? The name is self-explanatory itself. It is any dysfunction or problem or issue in sexual activity in the couple. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic and functional gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. And let's discuss sexual dysfunction today. Previously, sexual dysfunction was more revolving around male issues like erectile dysfunction. But nowadays, with increasing awareness, we have a lot of female patients walking into our clinics with their intimate issues and getting their sexual dysfunction problems treated. Along with assessing all these issues, we also take care if the sexual dysfunction is happening for the very first time, that is primary sexual dysfunction, or is it secondary? That means previously there was no issue, the sexual activity was absolutely perfect, but then after delivery or after few years they are again facing difficulty or some issue with their sexual activity, that is secondary sexual dysfunction. So we have to identify either it is primary or secondary, what is the cause, and then further proceed for how to treat it. So before going to how to treat sexual dysfunction, I think we all have noticed that of late we are seeing more cases of sexual dysfunction both in males and females. And why is this happening? This is more related to the more amount of stress they are taking, more of lifestyle changes like change in the sleeping pattern, more late night sleeps or not able to get up in the morning, more feeling lethargy, sedentary lifestyles because of desk jobs, or taking lot of stress in their work and not able to manage their personal and work-life balance. So the first step in treating sexual dysfunction is to maintain an active lifestyle. So please make sure you exercise regularly, have a balanced diet, and sleep for 7 to 8 hours at night, and also keep your addictions at bay, including alcohol, and cutting down smoking as well. And let's not forget about body positivity and sexual education if started in younger age group, at around adolescent or teenage age group. These young adults will become very confident with their body, and yes, they can psychologically be more strong and sound when they become full adults. So finally, when we come to the medical treatment part, we do assess what is their problem, concern, and accordingly suggest them either vaginal lasers or Emsella chair to strengthen their pelvic floor muscles to give a tighter vagina, or we give PRP injections for O-shot or G-spot augmentation to increase their or improve their orgasm. And we do them some Botox injections for tight or vaginismus conditions. We also have newer HRT treatment for perimenopausal women. And also sometimes we suggest them some surgeries like labiaplasty and vaginoplasty depending on their conditions. So regaining your sexual functionality is in your hand. So if you have any dysfunctional issues, please consult your concerned doctor or gynecologist. So if you find our video informative, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any further doubts, please comment below so that we can revert back to you. And don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications.